Come on, people. I will, Marvel. Skip.
Whoa, it's on the wrong one again.
Malvolo, would you wake the fuck up? You need to watch out on that engineer. Gobi got a bit lower than you. On, here's proper DPS, people. I don't want that to do more than 2. Good.
Heals please guys, I can't set this bomb off.
Have your vigilance.
The second one low.
Repairing.
Stop that repair. Stop that repair. Get the other engineer. Oh my god, you just slow. Get
them both lower.
Get the medium engineer lower. Come on.
Grip now. Kill this fast.
Kill them both off now. Get those bombs and get out now. Good. It's already a shield up, Adam.
Yeah, I'm going straight out.
You know you're gonna have to come there.
No shield.
I did it myself. More shields. We need stuns.
Come on, kill off the bellows. They're high. Tonic former.
We're into position.
To get your
melee, switch to that now. Melee, switch to slack. Get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Thank you. Moving.
Which one? The low?
Yeah,
oh,
which one do you?
I'm just standing here to DPS.
Switch now, all DPS, now.
Releasing.
Oh, where the fuck?
Yeah, that's not really a good rupture there.
Good. Get back out. Get back out. Need a mass grip here, please. Stun. Oh, fuck this! Kill off the flycallers. Get the next slag into position already. Kill off the slag now. Again, cleaving on it. Cleave onto the slag, people, and you're doing nothing. Come on. I wanted it to be dead at this point. Get ready to go on it. Get it to 50. Get the high course dead now. Get the others like into position, nukes on you. Begin cleaving onto it. Kill off the slack now. Kill it off, come on. Get ready to kill off this fire elementalist.
See.
Just kill it off. And then they go back. Sheet is now to catch up, please. Can we have a mass grip? Is it ready? Stun instantly. Moving. Get down. Oh. Knock them out. Good. No. Get the next in position already. The slag element on, like, Lizzie, get it in.
Oh, I have to water fight.
Get in! Interrupt that slag that's slow already. Kill it. Cleave off the fire elements onto it, bro. Just have two of them. Get ready to switch to it. The bomb is now. Switch to elements. Please don't stand and shit, people.
Spell it.
Kill the firemen. Interrupt the cauterize. Come on, interrupt.
Need summit, please.
Kill off the other low. There's a low slag element in ready there. It's gonna be killed.
Mel or use VE.
Okay, finish off the elementalist. Finish it off. Come on. Cleave, like, get from the fire. Get the fire crawlers down. Finish off the elementalist. Next slag is obviously in position with priorities. Straight. Finish off this one. Kill off the fire crawlers. Cleave onto this elementalist. Come on, people. Make sure I'm interrupting it to get it proper in. Kill that slag element. You have a bit of breather now before the next set of fire crawler spawns. Go onto that slag. Our next slag will be yours, Persistente. Okay. Don't kill it yet, people. Come on, get that element to the store. I'm interrupting yours after this to get it in position. Good, now cleave off the fire crawlers onto the low slag. Please interrupt. Come on, kill the fire crawlers. Kill that slag now. Now get out and then finish off this elementalist. Now remember how you do this next phase.
Please?
Remember, I'll go on the right side of the boss again. I've got a fixate.
Ready. Kill off the fire fucking callers. There's a, like, just hit a new wave of spawn. Just hero and kill off all of those hats, please.
That barrier is far too early though.
Still a fire color up.
Just kill
Like
them
just stun immediately, stun.
off.
No, no, we have the barrier.
I'm moving. I'm
moving.
I need you to taunt.
I have it.
I have mocking banner up to taunt the rest of them. Kill off the fire callers plus security guards rather.
They are dead, they're still secure.
Take
No,
fix
two
it
in the
if you
front.
have them.
Yeah, remember to do this properly now. Just
Fonts
focus
are
up.
there.
Take fixates.
I have it.
Right, just focus up now. Stay out with fixates and get out with melts. That's
Shield wall is up. Shield wall is up.
it. I use sack as well.
No, you should have saved that. You just like I just had 5 CDs because people are using them.
Jabba, you use yours next, then pro it after Jabba.
Spawning in
Can I-
5.
Talking about
You can just
revival?
hunt now. They
Yeah.
won't return.
Spawning.
Remember that.
We'll
but
give you
saving
do you want vigilance?
No, I have divine protection.
Kikun, can you sack me?
No.
Hold on it.
Take fixates again, just in case.
Moving boss.
Malvalor, Malky, sorry, use your
Front smoothing.
individual. Taunted him. Have demoralizing shot last time.
Okay. Just focus on the raid healing, boys. Like, remember smoke bombs and crap.
Healthstone.
Might want to move him a bit again.
I'm moving.
Rally.
Malvalor, I want your BD
Fronting.
after the next blast. And
Vigi now smoothing. Vigi now.
Feet can go a bit right.
Rory,
Okay,
use mine.
so it's
Fine. Moving slightly.
Just
Remember health box.
AM after the next blast, please. Yes.
Remember health box, guys.
Tom smoothing.
Taunted it. Can I get a sack?
I'm gonna sit in bubble after the next ones. Nuxie, Vigi smoothing.
Keep checking fixates.
Keep moving, just
don't sit
personal
back, moving.
cooldowns now, personals now.
Using bomb on the raid.
Yeah, please.
I've got shield wall and divine protection and bubble, so I'm fine for a
Have
few.
demoralizing shout out.
Taunting now, shield walling.
Health.
Bad
Just
melt,
raid
bad melt.
heal. Raid heal, raid
just-
heal.
Whatever you have left, use your personal CDs, please.
Using all my cooldowns, just leave it on me, leave it on me, leave it on me. Raid heal,
That's
raid
fine.
heal, raid heal.
Just kill it.
Good job.
Dodge.
Nice.
Wow, I can't. Done. I can't star.
Are you alright, Adam? Did you hurt yourself?
Because we had the engineer MC that we were about to start nuking.
Who did I just take out then?
Alex.
Okay, go on the elevator. Go on the
You
elevator.
were.
Need a Jesus.
You fucking.
The boss is army again.
Look at the screen, you dumb shit. I'm trying to get your attention.
Hey Strange, why did you pop a repair bot?
Someone called Adam got disarmed.
Apparently this boss has like the secret mythic ability disarm on some certain tanks again.